Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back, I came back, you came back, we came back. It's only been forever since we've seen each other. Hi, I've missed you. What I have for you in this video is just a simple dip powder application video. It's just a one color mani. It's really simple and it's really easy. So if that is something that you're into seeing, go ahead and stick around and let's get into it. Hopefully you guys really liked this video and you really found it informative and maybe learned some things and just enjoyed watching it. I know it was like super short and really didn't show anything, or it's a silent video, so, but hopefully you still enjoyed watching it. And yeah, I'm really going to try my damnedest to start doing more videos because I miss it. I hope you guys miss it as much as I miss it, and I really should get back into it. So anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! I have 2 dogs and a cat in the room with me right now. I've had to completely rearrange my bedroom because my cat, my male cat, Oliver, has decided that this room is his room. I have this like big, beautiful, long white coat. Let me show you. Big, beautiful, long white coat. And I've moved it like 3 times to different places thinking that I can get it away from him because he likes to just like put his claws in it, and he finds it every fucking time. This is Oliver. He hates it. But isn't he pretty? He's like, bitch, put me down right now. Anyways, so how you guys been? How you doing? How's your mom and them? I feel like my little sister when I do that. Ew. Anyways, do you guys, can you believe I've had that video recorded since July? Oh, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say hi. I want to go annoy my husband. I want to go annoy my husband. Why did he marry me? Okay, see you next week. Bye.